So welcome to Noble of Chemistry channel. So now we're going to see about that chemical kinetics. Actually, this chemical kinetics chapter it is there in IP chemistry and as well as AP chemistry syllabus and as well as ICSC chemistry syllabus la idu represent ஆயிருக்கு. So we will explain in a detailed way how the chemical kinetics, what it is meaning of the chemical kinetics, how it will be related, that and all we discuss one by one. In this first case, in chemical kinetics, that is the meaning of the kinetics means that is the movement. Okay, so speed or rate. Okay, kinetics, that the one reaction it is moving from the forward to backward, for reactant converted into product. So that is the movement of the reaction will takes place, that is we called as a chemical kinetics, right? In that is a branch of chemistry, that is a kinetics, it is one of the branch of chemistry that what it is going to deal means it is a rate of chemical reaction. That is a rate in the sense it is a speed of chemical reactions and factors. So we know what are the that is also we going to discuss what are the factors or affecting the rate of the chemical reactions. Okay, this is the chemistry of that chemical kinetics. Next one, in this chemical kinetics, there is a reaction. What type of reactions will be? And reactions will be in a three type. One it is that and fast reaction, other one it is a moderate reaction, another one it is that slow reaction. If it is fast reaction, that is within a seconds, say for example the reaction it is completed so the reaction it is completed in 10 power minus 12 to 10 power minus 16 seconds. That reaction it is called as a fast reaction. Say for example, all the ionic reactions are the fast reaction. So look at here, this is my ionic reactions, right? Silver nitrate, that it is a reaction with that sodium chloride and to the formation of the compound as silver chloride as a white precipitate, and that is formation of sodium nitrate. Okay, okay, this is the example of the fast reaction. This is the fast means the reaction it is completed in the period of time. It is 10 power minus 12. How it is very fast, no? That is 10 power minus 12 to 10 power minus 16 seconds. This is in this time period the reaction it is completed. So that this reaction is called as a fast reaction. Then next one it is that and slow reaction, that is that rusting of iron. That is the meaning of the rusting. That is rusting, that is the iron it is get oxidized. That is a process of oxidation in the iron. The reaction it is takes place, iron it is reaction with that moisture content. Suppose it is the x moles of moisture, that it is reaction with that oxygen into the formation of Fe2O3 dot XH2O. This is the formation of the rusting. This is the formation of the rusting, but this reaction takes place even and depends upon the nature of the iron rod. If it is good quality means it is takes in a year. Rusting it is takes place in the year period of time, and suppose it is not that much good quality, it is in the medium quality means that it is taken a month, and it is already it is reaction with the water means within a week it is easily get iron, easily get rusted. This is the very slow reaction. Okay, the next one, and moderate reaction. The moderate reaction it is that hydrolysis of the ester. So while doing the ester hydrolysis, addition of water, that is the water it is added into the ester to the formation of 1 mole of acid and 1 mole of alcohol we will get. Okay, the next one, inversion of cane sugar, that is a biological biomolecule chapter la. Inversion of cane sugar, that is a cane sugar C12H22O11, that is C12H22O11, that is in the hydrolysis we will get it is that two different monosaccharides. It is sucrose, it is the disaccharide, and we will get it is a 2 moles of the monosaccharide. 1 mole it is that glucose, that is C6H12O6. Another mole it is that fructose, that is also same molecular formula C6H12O6. Okay, and this is also takes place in a moderate speed, not too high, not too slow, not too speed. It is in a moderate rate, medium rate. Its reactions will takes place, right? And also this decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. Okay, that is also it is reaction in a one second. Okay, one second, one second. Decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide, right? Okay, how that nitrogen pentoxide get decomposed, that is the, look at here, it is N2O5, that is nitrogen pentoxide, that's it is decomposed into NO2 and NO2, that is that a process, it is called as NO2 and O2. This is the decomposition of nitrogen pentoxide. This is also takes place in the slow and moderate speed. And this and all. Okay, now we are completed what are the types of the reaction, and move to the next one. What it is the rate of the reaction, what is the speed of the reaction, how it is defined the rate of the reaction, that is a change in the concentration of the reactant or change in the concentration of the product. Okay, so why here it is used as a minus, negative sign means that is a negative representation of the decrease in the concentration of the reactant. Okay, here it is that positive sign, that is the meaning of, it is not given, that is the meaning of positive, that is that increase in the concentration of the product, that is that it is special word, it is a disappearance of the reactant equal to an appearance of the product. Okay, so this is the rate of the chemical reaction, this is the rate of the chemical reaction. So what, how it is that, and unit we are used, what are the units we can use in this rate of the chemical reactions அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா, and I will show you. Okay, that is the concentration. எப்படி கொடுத்திருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா, that is that mole per liter. Okay, change concentration, that is concentration expressed in terms of molarity. Molarity is a number of moles by volume of the solution. Number of moles we represented as the mole, and volume of the solution we can represent it as a liter. So that is we called as a mole per liter. Okay. Otherwise we can use it as a mole per decimeter cube. Otherwise we can use it as a molarity. So in the madri we can use it as a different units are we can use. Okay. Then next one. Yes, that is already explained. So where we are used negative sign, where we are used a positive sign, and that is the average rate expression. We can express in terms of del, change in the concentration of the reactant upon time. Okay, I give one example for this on average rate of the reaction. In this example, that is a decomposition of phosphorus pentachloride. How can we write the average rate expression? Means then it is, that is the meaning of, that is del, change in the concentration of the phosphorus pentachloride. That is the concentration, it is going to decrease. So the negative sign, and upon time, which is equal to, it is a increase in the concentration of that is del, an increase in the concentration of the phosphorus trichloride upon time. Okay, which is also equal to, that is that increase in the concentration of the chlorine upon time, chlorine upon time. Okay, this is the way to write the average rate expression. Definitely the questions may be asking from that area, then they are asking to how to write the rate expression, otherwise how to relating the expressions, rate expressions, average rate expression. So like this they are asking the question. Okay, right, next one. In phosphorus mercury chloride. Okay, the same way we can write in the next the one. Okay, right, one second. So mercury is the reaction with the chlorine into the formation of mercury chloride. The same way it is we can write, that is a change in the concentration of mercury upon time, which is equal to, it is decrease in the concentration of the chlorine upon time upon time, which is equal to, it is increase in the concentration of the mercurous chloride upon time. Okay, this is then in average rate expression. This is the way of writing the average rate expression, right? Okay, next one. This is already explained, that is a formation, disappearance of the reactant equal to appearance of the product. And this is that is your practice. Okay, and dear children, your practice, that is you have to do. And how can write the rate expression, what it is in a special case means, here it is I included in the stoichiometric coefficient. Okay, so first one I write, then second one you will try. Okay, then that is that negative sign of 1 by 2, because what it is in the stoichiometric coefficient, child, it is 2, so that we can write 1 by 2. It is change in the concentration of N2O5 upon time, which is equal to, that is here it is 4, it is there no stoichiometric coefficient, that is we can write 1 by positive of 1 by 4 change in the concentration of NO2 upon time. Okay, okay, that is also equal to, and plus 1 by plus change in concentration of oxygen. Like this we can write the average rate expression. Okay, right. So, and dear children, you can write this the below example process. Okay, next one. Like this the questions may be asking. Okay, every present article, look at here, and this is the stoichiometric, complete stoichiometric equation. What they are asking, that is that expression is correct expression for the rate of the reaction. They are asking to write the correct expression. So what are the relations they given? One, it is a bromide relations they given, another one it is a hydrogen relation we given. Okay, the first we have to write the average rate expression for these two relations. Then how we can write it is, what it is a stoichiometric coefficient 5 will be there, so that is 1 by negative sign, because reactant no decrease in the concentration, so negative sign of 1 by 5 and change in the concentration of the bromine upon time, which is equal to, and that is asking hydrogen concentration. Okay, so that is, what is the stoichiometric coefficient? 6, that is 1 by 6 of negative sign, because that is also reactant, change in the concentration of the H plus upon time. Okay, so next what we want to do, and to look at the option, they are giving only the change in the concentration of bromine in the left hand side. What we want to do means, if this 5 is moves to here in the numerator, then we will get it is that, and this option will be the correct option. Both side negative sign that get cancelled. Okay, right. This is the way of they are asking question from the average rate expression. Okay. Yes, and this is the simple methodology to explaining the rate expression. Like this, the total chapter, the explanation will be like this only. And first, what I going to do means, first I explain the concept very clearly, and after it is explaining the concept, I give some model problems, how to solve the problems, and again third one, and select the homework from tricky homework problem, your homework schedule, and I just work it on it, and make, and the fourth one it is that in how to calculating, that is make you to calculating the problems. Okay, this is the methodology I used during the during my classes. Okay, and if you're interested, I just give a link, email ID from the in the email ID you have to register your classes for AP chemistry and AP chemistry 1 and 2 and IP chemistry and general chemistry and honor chemistry and ICSE syllabus chemistry, that and also CBSE, everything. You just click on the register the email ID and registration. That is over. After completing your registration, you start with the classes and enjoying your chemistries. Okay, thank you.